Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the pages and the browser. Open the two tabs or windows you want to compare. Make sure Edge is updated so split features behave predictably. This avoids layout glitches. If you use Windows Snap layouts, enable them to get consistent placements. Once done, position Edge on your screen. You can use the title bar to drag and get a half-screen guide. This first step sets up the workspace so the actual split action is fast and reliable. Now you activate the split view inside Edge. Right-click a tab and choose Split Tab, or click the layout control in the toolbar. That instructs Edge to create two panes. Pick the split ratio or layout preset that fits your task, because different ratios help when one page needs more space. Then drag other tabs into the second pane or open new pages directly in it. Make sure to arrange the panes so you can read and interact with both pages comfortably. Finally, refine the split by resizing the divider. Drag it to favor one pane for focus, and use keyboard shortcuts to quickly move tabs between panes for efficiency. Make sure scroll, audio, and interactive elements work. Some sites behave differently in split mode, so refresh if something looks off. If panes freeze or behave oddly, try disabling extensions or restarting Edge. That resolves most conflicts. With that, you'll have a stable dual pane.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.